Hello everybody and welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. I had made a small mistake, as is probably visual from all the new stuff. I forgot to hit record, so I have to bring everything up back to speed. So, got some pomegranates from the Ember Valley area. I got some Batty crystal slimes, also from the Ember Valley. I should probably feed those. I'm super happy that the bats eat fruit. It means it's just so much better. I got some rock tabby slimes, because I needed tabby ports for a statue that I did end up buying, but it turns out it was actually the blueprints for it, not actually the statue itself. That requires a bunch of materials. All of this stuff requires gold plorts as well, which that's not going to happen for a very long time. But anyways, I also got some storm glass and lightning motes during the farming session. And I got some radiant ore, which I can use to buy the jetpack upgrade, which will be very, very, very important soon. Not for anything in particular, but mainly just because I keep forgetting I don't have the jetpack. And I also got the resource harvester upgrade, tank booster, which gives me 30 extra slots in my inventory. Nope, 10. I can hold up to 30 items. And the power core, which allows me to have more energy. And, in addition to all of that stuff, I also unlocked the goalie area right over here. I got a... oh, wait. Yeah. I got a Yolky slime, which is absolutely amazing. And these are my first Yolky ports. Absolutely amazing slime. And also I have a coop, which I'm not entirely thrilled about. Chickens aren't a great food source in Slime Rancher. And I got some Batty boom slimes for one of the upgrades they needed, the boom ports. That's almost everything. Let me just feed all the stuff. There we go. So, I wanted to start off today's episode by unlocking another area, because I feel bad about not doing that on camera, because I thought I hit record, but I didn't. This is the tide pools. I don't have enough. I never have enough. I need to stop getting distracted. I need to pick up... I think the boom ports are probably more expensive than the batting ports. I'm probably super wrong about that. The other main thing that I wanted to do is explore the rest of the Ember Valley, because I have not done that yet. Get the jetpack upgrade. I want to scale this tree. I know that there's almost definitely nothing at the top, but I want to do it. But I'm gonna need the jetpack upgrade to do that. Hey, I picked correctly. Whoa, boom plorts are double the price of batty plorts. I was not supposed to sell all of okay, whoops. Yeah, we can sleep for a day. That might not be the best idea. Let me grab some fruits, feed my slimes, then sleep, and then hopefully I can get another big egg from the Yolky slime. Because I do need Yolky plorts for a thing. And then also, I found something really cool. But I did not go to it. I don't even know exactly what it is. I just know vaguely what it is. But we'll get to it. I have not put a thing here. Yeah, is that it? Oh, it's not growing anything. You know what? Heartbeats. I don't have any of those. So I'm gonna just put more water lettuce up here. Good thing I did not use up the water lettuce. I can feed the cotton pink slimes. Give them all that, and then bring the remaining water lettuce, which will not be enough to feed these, but it should be decent. Feed them a little bit more, and feed these guys a little bit. Now I can sell these ports. This is a lot of ports. Let's see how much this gets me. Oh, also there was a pollen storm, which hopefully will happen again. I don't know the rarity of it. It seemed like I was getting constant storms back to back when I was farming. But during the pollen storm, there was tangle slimes, but I didn't want those because tangle slimes are the worst. Honey is very quickly becoming not a problem, which is very nice to see. And it also means that I can buy the tide pools. Tide pods. Delicious. I'll need those. Seems good. I should probably get some more water lettuce, or at least carrots for the tabby rock. Oh, water lettuce over here. For the tabby rock slimes because they are very hungry. Give all these to them. Eat it. Eat all the food. All the food. And then we can sleep, go to the next day, and hopefully I'll have a new big egg. There we go. New message. I'll get to that in a second. I almost went the wrong way. I keep going the wrong way every time I want to go to the goalie. I keep expecting it to be behind the port sign. But that's the wrong area. Really? Nothing? Also, there are so many hens. I should probably get some of these, feed them to the boom signs. Oh, elder hen. That's, not useful, like, at all. I should probably get the upgrade that allows me, yeah. That's a lot. Nope, never mind. Not buying that. I will buy this, though. Alright, it's time to throw these into the ocean. Goodbye. There we go. Get all that good chicken in there. Just not gonna make a new egg. Okay. I'll get back to that then. Anyways, more important, I'm buying the tide pools. This looks absolutely beautiful. The docks were always my favorite spot in Slime Rancher 1 when it came to the ranch, so not super surprised that this is also a favorite area for me. Also, I did just realize, this pond, I think, probably could be a free puddle slime pond, like how they have that in Slime Rancher 1. Oh, and there's a second one over here. So if that is, then that means you get 2 free ones. Oh, I need to get up there somehow. There's definitely something on one of those 2 rock island things. I don't see a great way of getting up this. At least not without the jetpack upgrade. Could also see... no. You could probably make that jump, though. Question is, how do you get up there? Yeah, I think this is a comeback later with the jetpack kind of thing. I really want some Yolki ports for a specific thing that I have absolutely no evidence is a thing, but if it is, it'll be really, really cool. Let's go see, do we have a Yolki big egg? Wait. Oh, this is the pollen! I don't think there's vines yet. This is the pollen event. Really? No large egg yet. What? Okay. I love the pomegranate pun. It reminds me a lot of the Q-berry, which is one of my favorite fruit names in Slime Rancher 1. So yeah, I think I'll have to probably make a return trip back to the ranch. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. I'm just gonna sell the important stuff. That is a lot of money that we have now. Also, I can buy this ranch expansion currently, but I was thinking that it might be nice to do one per episode. I do think that there is currently Tangle Slimes happening, so I would like to get some hens and go get some Tangle Plorts. Just in case. No. The change in music is extremely worrying because that means that it might have ended the event. No, I don't see the pollen in the air. Oh. Is that pollen still? I think it is. Yeah. Are there vines on the right? There's no vines. It means that there aren't Tangle Slimes currently. I'm surprised I've not found a Tabby Gordo yet. I feel like it would be pretty early. All I need currently is to go to the Ember Valley and get a bunch of Radiant Ore, at least 2 Radiant Ore. I do know the location of one, but I don't think they respawn. Nah, they don't respawn. I've said it a few times before, but I really don't feel like the Ember Valley fits Slime Rancher. Like, it's a neat looking area, it looks nice, but it feels apocalyptic in a way. You look at all of this and tell me that this doesn't look like it belongs in Slime Rancher. I feel like I could probably use this to get up to here. Oh, there we go. And I feel like there would be Radiant Ore up here somewhere. There's stuff over there. I don't think that that's Radiant Ore, though. I think that's Jellystone. I was gonna say it might be worth checking out, but there are tars here now. I still don't know what that jingling sound is. I haven't heard it yet in this episode, but every once in a while I hear it, I still know what it is. Hey, here's where I got all the crystal baddie slimes. Let's see if the... Oh, all of a sudden, need that. Oh, there's a crystal Gordo up there. Is there anything down here? Nope, that's death. There's nothing down there but death. Oh, all of a sudden. Oh, what's up here? Oh. Get in the water. Everybody get in the water. Into the ocean. Yeah, everything's back to normal. No, I always mistime these. There we go. But why is it not enough to get up there? Oh, so there's a specific place I want to go to find the Radiant Ores. Anyways, welcome to the volcano. Oh, here's some Radiant Ore. I would like to get more than what I need, though. Just to play it safe for future things. Here's lava. Just real lava. I find it weird that the lava deals less damage than feral slimes. Like, 5 damage does not feel like enough for lava. I mean, even the crystal slimes deal 30, no, 10, just 10. They deal 10 damage when you're walking up. Why are crystals more painful than lava? That feels wrong. Here we go. Ooh, strange diamond. Up. Oh no. Oh, fire slimes. I don't really have any. Oh, there's bag slime. Gordo. I don't have the inventory space for the fire slimes. I don't really want them either. They're good, but they are kind of high maintenance, which I don't particularly want, at least currently. Maybe when I get some drones. Oh, I'm down here now, I guess. And I am leaving now that there's a car. Might be a good idea to just check and see if those are radiant ore. I'm not sure if resources respawn. I would hope they do, though. Because if they don't, that is worrying. That is extremely worrying if resources don't respawn. Can't make it up there like that. How would I get up there? What? Oh my gosh, gold slime. Wow, I don't have food, and it's gone. At least I know the gold slimes exist now. Man, I knew they existed. It's just nice to know that they can show up. Is there another way that they want me to get up there? Allows me to get up to here. This is one of my favorite things about Slime Rancher, is that they, like, never use invisible walls. Unless they absolutely want the player to do something to get to an area. Like, look at this. This is, like, firmly out of bounds, and there's stuff. No. Where'd the other thing go? Oh, okay. Look at this. I do want the heartbeats, though. More than I want the puddle port. Nope. Okay. I'm just gonna go. We can get stuff later when I have the jetpack. Oh! Are you kidding me? There was radiant ore over here this whole time. How many times have I walked past that now? What are those tremors? Like, that has to be something important. That cannot just be there for the sake of being there. I did just remember that now that I have the resource collector, I can come get the strange diamond in the cave that I unlocked in, like, episode 1. Hot. Huh. Wait. Wasn't there a strange diamond in here? What happened to it? I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. Oh yeah, I have a new message. I should probably read that. I mean, read that. Wow, so much flavor text. What does Mochi Miles have? Oh, okay, that was something. What was that? Market link, yay! Ogden, what does Ogden have? Nothing. Alright. Is this also going to be nothing? Nope, Taming Bell. That's something, I guess. But now, I'm gonna give all of those to those. And once I have all of the slimes fed, we can get to the more pressing matters of getting a jetpack. I'm not reading that for a while. Alright, time to put the radiant ore in here, and the strange diamond. Did I get the other strange diamond and put it? No. Nope. That's just gone. Good enough. Oh, that's so cool. Anyways, upgrades. Yeah, I can buy the dash boots. Might as well buy it. And the heart module as well. But, most importantly, I need 10 phosphor quartz. Oh yeah, it's thundering, lightning-ing. That sounds wrong. I think that's what that sound was. I love the weather system. It's so cool. It really makes the world feel so alive. A lot more alive than Slime Rancher 1 did. Anyways, jetpack upgrade. Finally, yes. There we go. How much for this one? That's a lot of stuff. I don't know how I get these components, the like jetpack drive, dash boot module, power chip. Oh, I do have a power chip somehow. Where did I get that? Yeah, I need a storage cell. I'm not sure where I get that. Weird. There's so many hen-hens. Why are there so many hen-hens? There we go. And over there, and I can get another pond. And there we go. It's still weird to me that the pond doesn't have any upgrades. I feel like it would have at least some kind of an upgrade. Oh, yep, it is definitely a lightning storm. Anyways, I mentioned towards the start of the episode a thing. I forgot that I bought the jetpack upgrade. Also, I remembered that I do want to climb up the tree. That is honestly more important. It's not, but to me it is. Climb this. Yep. And I can jump over to here. Jump on this. And then I can not do that. I can then fly up to here. There we go. That looks like a good spot. Get over here. Jump up to this. And I'm on top of the tree. Look at that, though. I really want to know what that rainbow strand thing is. This looks so cool from up here. Also, it was so much easier to climb that with the jetpack upgrade. I tried and failed without it. But anyways, we have something much more important. During the accidentally forgot to hit record times, I had popped the Cotton Gordo, which I think is over here, which led to a tunnel. There we go. Rabbit burrow. Con slime burrow. And there was a button over here like there was in the other area, which activated that. And I'm thinking there's a teleporter, just like the one to Ember Valley, and that is in kind of the direction of that giant tree in the rainbow thing. So I'm thinking that that probably is a teleport to that area. There we go. Wow. That looks beautiful. This pond, like, the water looks so drinkable. I wonder if they have honey slimes here. I would hope so. What is this thing? That looks absolutely huge. That leads somewhere. Wait a second, where does that go? I'm getting distracted by everything. Oh, door. It's like the Tabby slime door. Where would the slime statue be that I keep forgetting that I have the jetpack now. There was the problem of me forgetting that I didn't have it. Now that I have it, now I'm forgetting that I do have it. Just never in it. Whoa. Saw a map thing. I can open that up while I go get... Ah, here it is. Hunter. Ooh, does that mean that the hunter slimes are over here? I would hope so. Alright, let's see if... That was beautiful. Ooh, beehive. Why is it so much easier in this game to use the jetpack technique? This doesn't seem like it's that big of a map, this one. Wait, there's 3 treasure pods in the conservatory? Huh. Oh, and you can see the weather in the areas. That's cool. Why does it feel like there's so much empty space this direction? I feel like something's gonna be added there. Is this a painted hen? Sea hen. What is its favorite food thing? Angler slime. That's strange. I don't really want it though. Hens aren't good. Well, this seems like it's gonna go somewhere important. I love all of the like glowy stuff here. Seems like it's a very important area. I accidentally read that as Trace Leche's arch. I think I might be hungry. I don't know. What even is food? Here we go. I feel like this is gonna be important. It's so like disconnected from everything. Oh. Grab some radiant over here. Oh, so we can get it from anywhere. Oh, thank you. Ooh, beach lantern. I think I can make that jump. I am less optimistic. There we go. Okay, I did make the jump barely. I did just realize I'm gonna have to make the return jump though. That's gonna be hard. Oh. Buzzwax. Also, is this area important? It's so close to whatever this. It looks so cool. I really hope that I get to explore that, like it's ruins or something. Right. I like how the jetpack feels in this. It feels more active, I guess, than it did in Slime Rancher 1. There we go. Golden Tangle statue. Yeah, I could probably throw that in the trash. The fact that this is called Stony Egg Lamp, and also it's a thing that displays when I look at it, kind of like the radiant ore and stuff. I think I need to get Yolki plorts from the Yolki slime and then put it into the lamp. It'll like activate it or something. That's what I'm thinking. There we go. No problem. Ignore the 22 energy. What is this? What? Up. Yeah. Up, silky sand. Okay. All of this stuff that I have is like the resource stuff. And there just so happens to be yeah, the jellystone. Where's the other one? There it is. There just so happens to be right over here resource refinery link. Super useful. Anyways, let's actually explore this area. I didn't properly explore, I kind of went backwards, actually. I do find it weird that slimes can just pop out of the air now instead of coming out like rocks. More radiant ore. It's always good. It's useful. Well, if there was a third one, it definitely fell into the water down there. We'll just pretend that there wasn't a third one, though. Best not to think about those things. Oh! Map. Need the map. Grab the map. There we go. There's 3 maps for this area? At least 3, I guess. Might even be more than 3. Whoa. That is... This looks so good. Ooh. This crystal slime. Rock slime. Need to come back with rocks then. Wait. Honey slimes. Oh my gosh, there's honey slimes. Does that mean that there's mint mangoes in this area? Please tell me there's mint mangoes here. There's mint mangoes here. The best food source in the game. Not because of any particular reason, just because I like it. There we go. I see anything behind you interesting? Not really. But I am definitely going to come back to pop that honey gordo. Ooh, another firefly. Cool story. I think it's weird that I am actually reading those, but I'm not reading any of the actual dialogue. That's a little weird. I don't have... Oh, there we go. Angler port. There we go. We're making some progress now. There we go. And I can open up this door and see what we have. What's back here? Oh, wow. Whoa. This area looks awesome. Ooh, treasure pod. Ooh, cave pillar. I love how when you're in the inside of the cave, that's really cool looking. I do wish the transition was a little more subtle. Okay. That seems to be the direction of that light pillar. Whoa. I want to go over there. Okay, so it should be this way then. I gotta go through the... Yeah. Just run through, ignore all the things. They just want attention, don't give them any attention. I hear one of the... Oh, there it is. Cool. I love how it's just this one specific tree. They're probably talking about that giant tree, but I think it's funnier to imagine it's the small one. Is there anything to do with the... It's the icon on the map. It seems like a big focus point. I feel like this... Oh... There's definitely something important down here. Ooh, dash boot. So that's how we get those. Okay, so it's a good thing that I haven't been ignoring the module thing, the treasure pods. Well, might as well throw myself down here. Ooh. This is a neat looking cave. Where does this go? Oh. Okay. That's a pretty neat shortcut. Oh, strange diamond. So, are those mushrooms? Oh, wow. Oh, I found the hunter slime, I guess. Of course it would be near the mushrooms. So... Oh! Oh, that's amazing. I need to carry that back to the ranch, the observatory. I need to stop calling it the ranch. It's not the ranch anymore. What is this? Okay, so it needs the door there to open up. Oh, you're angry. I don't really want you then. Whoa. I feel like this is somewhere I should come back. Oh, they have a hunter slime. Yeah, I should come back here. There it is. Okay, so that's really close actually then. It's good to know. I was slightly worried that the, what even is this? What are you? I was kind of worried that this thing wouldn't come with me through the teleporter because it was a physics prop and not an actual item in my inventory. Thankfully it came through. Yeah, I'm almost there. I have a new message, which I will definitely read. And we'll put it here. Sure. Yeah, good enough. And I have some things to deposit down here in the refinery. I almost put the honey slime in there. Say hi to the fox. Glow glow foxy fur. I really want to know what that is. Probably a developer reference kind of thing. Now, we can get some good use out of the tide pools area over here. And check to see if we got any big egg. No big, oh, yes, big egg. There we go. Oh, so much Yolki plorts, so many Yolki plorts. Thank you, Yolki slime, you're amazing. There we go. Buy a corral. And buy a garden. I'm gonna buy 2 upgrades for the garden. Put a mango in there. And get high walls and internet. I don't think I'll need that. I probably want the music box. And a solar shield. Nice honey slimes. I love the honey slimes, those ones are my favorite. And I feel like it would probably be a good idea to combine the honey slime with the hunter slime. Since hunter slimes eat meat, and that is not wanted. I wonder if the pomegranate tastes more like pomegranate, like the real fruit, or if it tastes more like granite. Then there's one more thing that I want to do, other than read this. I mean, yep, definitely reading it. Reading all this. Yeah, I love reading that. No, I don't want, no, stop. So, I want to go grab a hunter slime, and I want to do the thing that I wanted to do at the start of this episode, which I haven't said yet. Or, yeah, I did, kind of. Need to grab a hunter slime, get out, and go to the Ember Valley. That thing. I really want to explore this area, but I feel like that would be better for another episode. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, here's my thought. In the first episode, I went over there. Yeah, I did, yes. Went over to that weird spot over there, and I saw that there were 2 egg lamps, which I am now realizing that I did kind of talk about this. But I have the Yolki plorts, and all that's left now is to put them in there and hope that that's how it works, and that I'm not just going crazy. Okay, I'm over. Where are these? Okay, let's see. But it's not. I'm incredibly disappointed now. Are Yolki plorts just like actually not used for anything? Oh. Cool. There has to be one of these little, like, statue things to open up this door, but I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, it needs an angler port then. Okay. Yes. Eat that. Give me a port. Give it to me. I want that. And I better not miss. No, no. There we go. And then what's in here? Whoa. This seems kind of important. Anything cool up here? Nah, nothing cool up here. This is a Sure Shot module. Whoa. That's awesome. To get the golden Sure Shot, that would be so cool. So I would get 3 gold ports, unless they changed it, that is. But I would get 3 gold ports every time that I get feed a gold slime. Alright, now that I have the hunter slime, I can now make the honey hunter slime, the Largos. There's so many chickens. Why are there so many hen hens? That is too many hen hens. Good thing I have a slime that loves hen hen. I really hope that the puddle slimes don't despawn like they do in Slime Rancher 1. That is a very annoying bug. Anyways, get all that in there. Eat the chickens. Come on, eat it, eat it. There we go. There we go. And now, start getting some honey hunter signs. Oh yeah, now that I have the jetpack upgrade, let's see if I can get up to this. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I feel like there's a right to be afraid of the water in this game. So, I guess the Yolki ports don't really have any kind of value to them. I mean, they have a value. They absolutely have a value. But, why'd that move? I did this move. Huh. Weird. Anyways, what is that? That looks awesome. What slime gives that plort? Also, I still haven't figured out what that plort... Is that what this slime is? That's interesting. I should put these down here. And I think that's going to be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye!